Assalamualaikum dear students. Today now I will tell you how can you make file in your mobile in MS Word. So for this purpose I am first opening my docs which I already downloaded in my mobile. After that I am pressing on the plus button. Now I have option for new Word file. Here I will type any assignment I want to make by voice typing. For this I am pressing on the my argumentative essay submitted by Jahangir Khan. So you can see here you can type any of the file you want. Okay, so after that I am pressing on the take button, so my file can be saved, and if I want I can also change the font size or font style. Here I can increase the font size, and here I can change the font style. If I want to make the file in APA style, I will go to the Time New Romans, so my file will be saved as in Time New Romans. So hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Love.